where is the battery on a GMC Acadia? I'm talking about first generation Acadia, 2007 through 2016. And I will tell you where the battery is, and I'll show you how to charge it, and I will show you how to change it. It's kind of crazy on this car. The battery is located behind the passenger seat in the second row in the floor. So in order to get to that, you have to push the seat back, open the door, take the floor mats out, take the compartment off, and reach in there to get to the battery. That seems crazy to me, but that's the way you do it. Okay, the other way to charge the battery is to access the battery from the passenger's back seat. So we pull back our mat, and we need to get this compartment off and get into this compartment. And so this just snaps in. And it's these little metal tabs. And then this is a hook that goes right in there to get that out. And then you need to remove this screw. It's a Torx. I've got a Torx 15 here. It's a little bit loose, so it's probably a Torx 20. You undo that screw, and then this is tabbed and hinged up front, right here. Tabbed, well, it's hinged on my side, I guess. And then we can get to the battery. Here's the negative terminal and the positive terminals over. How do you charge it? To charge it, we open the hood, and on the far left corner of the hood, there are two big lugs. One is just a big bolt right into the car frame, and that's your negative. That's the way cars work. The other one has a red cover over it, and it has a cable that runs back to the battery. And so these two lugs are the location where you charge the battery and you jump start the car. So remember, you don't want to get into the back seat for jump starting or charging. You want to go through these cables that go through the firewall because they may be fused, and that's a little bit safer. Alright, today we're talking about how to charge the battery on your GMC Acadia. You can do it two ways. You can open the hood, and there's a great big ground cable on the firewall, a ground connector on the firewall, and then you can plug in to this big red connector, and those go right back to the battery. It'll charge from the under compartment, and then you go plug your charger in and the voltage pops up. So that's one way under the hood. The other way is to access the battery. The other thing we need to do when we change the battery is, like I said, access that panel in the rear passenger seat, take the safety protector bolts out and take the cover off that's holding the battery in place, disconnect the cables, and then for the life of me, it's extremely difficult to reach in there and pull that heavy battery out of the compartment, but with a little effort and work and going to get your teenagers that live in the neighborhood, maybe they can help you get it. So those are all the things we need to know about changing the battery, the location charging on a GMC Acadia.